All right, kindergarten, you are going to get in your green sight word packet, and you're going to find the page that has the word in at the top. And that's the sight word we're going to work on writing and reading today. So open up to in, grab a marker, a pencil, or a crayon, and let's trace it first. So starting at the dotted line, we're going to go down to the bottom and dot it. Go back to the dotted line, go to the bottom, go back up to the dotted line, curve over to the bottom. You did it. Now again, is there enough room for us to write it more than one time? Yes. So we're going to write it. I think we can fit it in 3 times. Right? So just the same way you traced it over there, start at the dotted line, go down to the bottom and around. We didn't go through the bottom line, did we? Nope. We're going to the dotted, touching the bottom, going to the dotted, touching the bottom, and going back around. Oh, I did go a little. So can I erase it? Yep. There we go. And one more time. Good job. All right, build it. Build it means we're going to go down to the bottom and we are going to cut off these letters at the bottom. Cut across with your scissors. And then you're going to cut out which 2 letters. We need to use the I and we need to use the N. So cut those 2 out and then glue them up here in the build it. Good. Next, you are going to find it. Find what? Find the word in. So in this box, we are going to find the word in, and we are going to either circle it or you can just color over it each time you find in. Down here, we are going to use it. Use it in a sentence. How can I use it in a sentence? How about let's go in. Let's go in. Period. That's one sentence. Do I want you to write the same sentence I did? No. I want you to think of your own sentence, how you can use the word in. I'm going to go in the store. That's another sentence. Can you think of another one you can write? And after you finish doing your in sight word page, I want you to go over to Seesaw, find the activity that says sight words, click on it, and take a picture of your page and send it to me so I can see all of your hard work. Thank you.